In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Tecsee linear switches coming in at a 67 gram spring weight. On the Tecsee website, they describe this switch as the smoothest switches in the world. Now that's something to raise your eyebrows at. On the page, you'll see some additional stock photos, as well as some description of the product. Here's some close-ups of the actual switch itself in person. Okay, up close, you're going to notice that the housing of this switch is a nice bright orange. I actually do like the color of this switch. It also has a creamy green stem on it, light green. Looking below the switch, you also notice that it's a 5-pin, meaning that if you have a PCB that's not going to accept 5-pin switches, you're going to have to clip these. Which is fine, but in my case, I don't have that problem. Opening it up, you're going to see nothing special about this switch, pretty standard. In terms of lubing, I just went with Tribosys 3203. It's a little bit thinner, I know, probably more for tactiles, but I decided what the hell. The stem didn't wobble very much, so I didn't add film. In terms of the spring, I just decided to go with a bag lube of Super Lube for the springs, and this is what it all sounds like together. Damn it. Whatever. Okay, so let's test out the stabilizers. Shift, space, shift, backspace. At 50 cents a switch, the Tecsee Carrots aren't bad at all. If you want something that's buttery smooth with a great sound, I highly recommend it. If you're looking for something a little bit cheaper with great sound and typing feel, I would go with the Eco Jelly Blacks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.